Welcome to The Life of Hair. My name's James Atkinson, and in this week's episode we're going to look at cutting a pixie cut. Now this is part one of a three-part series. The first part is just cutting the basic pixie cut shape and how I go about that, and a really nice easy way of going from really long to really short, because my model has got quite long hair and it's a complete transformation. So we're going to make her, we're going to totally reinvent her in a lot of ways. She was really nervous about having all her hair cut off, and we had a massively long consultation about it all, but in the end she loved it, which was great. So I'm going to show you the journey, but I'm going to show you it over 3 separate episodes, because sometimes I think I cut out bits of information that could be valuable to somebody that just make my videos too long for my taste. So this is going to be part 1. Part 2 is going to be like texturising and freehanding, and that's going to come next week. And then the week after will be the bleaching, how I got her hair, the white platinum result that you'll see right at the end of this video. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, then you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, tell me if you enjoyed it or if you'd like me to make any other videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm upping the amount of videos that I'm making at the moment, so I'm probably going to go up to maybe 2 a week. To avoid missing out on any of those, don't forget, smash that subscribe button too. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you for another episode really soon.
First things first, we're going to take a center profile section down through to the crown area. This section wants to be about 1 inch wide, so that we have 2 clear guides to use for the rest of this haircut. We're going to cut a square line that is 90 degrees from the head shape. It is very important with the pixie cut that we follow the head shape round. This gives us that nice head hugging feel that the pixie cut is classically known for. Double check for length on this very first section. Make sure that the hair is going to do exactly what you want it to do on this first section in terms of texturising later, and the length that you wish to cut all the hair to for the desired shape. Continue the center profile section down the back. Then we're going to work around the head in what I like to call a Terry's chocolate orange style, or for those of you that are not au fait with the Terry's chocolate orange, a orange segment slice where it pivots round from a center point. Keep your sections clean when working, especially when working with so much hair. It is very easy for you to end up getting lost or finding the hair hard to manage if you don't keep your sections clean. It's very important just generally to keep your sections clean, I feel. In this instance, super important. Each section is coming straight out from the head shape. My sections pivot round from that center point at the top of the head where the crown is. There is no over direction in this haircut. When I've worked to the corner of the recession on the left hand side, I then simply come back to the opposite side and work my way around the head again. This time though, I won't stop at the corner of the recession. I will continue the shape all the way around to the centre back of the head. As we travel around the head shape, our sections will end up more vertical down the head. This is very, very important in this particular instance. Keep your sections clean, as I said in the beginning, and make sure the hair is being pulled straight out from the head. So as the head curves, you are following the head shape around. Once you've cut one side, check the hair for balance and shape, and if you are satisfied, then move on to the opposite side, doing exactly the same thing, pivoting your way around the head shape. Making sure the hair is travelling 90 degrees from the head shape, and you are following the hair all the way through to the outlines. The beauty of cutting the hair in this way is that you get the hair in perfectly natural fall, and it means that the pixie cut sits absolutely beautifully on the head shape. I really like taking on the pixie cut like this. It is a way that I learned many years ago. Of all the ways that I have cut pixie cuts, this has to be my favourite way. I think it's very important to note that the pixie cut is quite an easy haircut in a lot of ways, in its purest form, just cutting the hair to follow the head shape around. It's when it comes to life is when we detail, personalise and refine these shapes, which you'll see in the forthcoming video where I detail. I'm going to show you every way that I texturise hair. I think you'll know from watching my previous videos that I'm very keen on texturising and personalising. And here we have the absolute finished look with all the texturising, personalising, bleaching and toning all done. But as I said in the intro, that you'll have to wait till next week to see about the personalising elements. I think that there's just so much personalising to talk about, and it is something that people have requested, and a little bit of a video from the third week on how to get that lovely clean white lift that you saw without doing too much toner work. In fact, all I had to do was silver shampoo her hair. So don't forget to subscribe to catch those episodes over the next couple of weeks. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you very soon.